Hi, my name is Uri Kaplan. I'm CEO of Protosure. Thank you for the opportunity to present to you today. Protosure is an innovative way for insurance companies to build and distribute complex insurance products at extremely low cost in days without writing a single line of code. In other words, instead of an insurance company building huge staffs of programmers to build complex insurance products and bring them to market, now instead an insurance company could use their own internal resources of non-programmers to build and distribute those same insurance products. In the insurance industry, many insurance products are on very old technology. Some of that technology could be mainframes, some of it could be spreadsheets and semi-manual processes, and some of it might be devoted towards the smaller product lines in the insurance company. What we do is we enable non-programmers to develop and digitally deliver those products with just Excel skills. In other words, they could build the insurance product, including in the full process of developing the insurance product and bringing it to market. That means with a form builder, that means being able to upload spreadsheets to create your rating calculations. That means full API connectivity for all the different backends you have to use, and all kinds of version control so that you're building your insurance product in a robust manner. The ability to then distribute it digitally with multi-channel distribution, which means you could embed that insurance product not just on your website or your portal or even your internal system, but with any third party where you want to sell your insurance product through. And then once you sell that insurance product, you now have full access to the data analysis and backend reporting you need. So any data that the system has access to that is now reportable. So there's never an issue where data comes into the system and you no longer could access it later when you want to report on it. So the idea behind Protosure is that it's a single integrated environment where you build your entire insurance product and then be able to bring it to market. Some of the key insights with a no-code product builder like Protosure is that all the different components merge seamlessly together. There's not one component where you build it once and then another team builds another component in a separate system. It's one combined system where all the different components mesh together. So as soon as you build one component, the other components are half built for you already. So Protosure enables a seamless integration of all those product configuration steps from product creation to policy issuance. So you start off by building your insurance product, which means the submission form, the underwriting rules, connecting a rating system, which could be as simple as uploading a spreadsheet that your actuaries already provide, creating all the different policy documents, and all the rules for those policy documents and how they're supposed to be templated and filled out. Then once you're happy with your insurance product and you finalize it, you could then distribute it digitally by embedding it in an iframe with all the different ways of selling an insurance product that you want to offer. And then once that's done, you could then report and analyze all that different information. Because of that, now once you use Protosure, instead of having an old slow system, which might cost millions of dollars to bring a product to market, you might be able to do that for 10 times faster and 10 times cheaper. Our ultimate goal is for an insurance company to be able to launch many different products with one flat fee to Protosure, so that each additional product you sell requires no programming and no additional fees to us as well. So it'll truly be a zero marginal cost system for launching insurance products. Hi, let me give you a quick demo of Protosure. First you see here on Protosure is that you have multiple versions of your product. This allows you to not only build one version of an insurance product, but keep track of all the different versions as they change over time. Here, I'm going to go to one specific version, let's say 6C. As you see here, this is a complex term life insurance policy. There's lots of different questions. There's lots of different logic, which you could see here by the little icon. All the different logic is directly seamlessly integrated within the system using very simple rules or Excel formulas. You could, in one quick glance, you could see how all the different application questions work together, and you're able to add simple questions or very complex questions. As you're working through this, you could then add a rating system, which could be simple as a spreadsheet which you upload, which connects to the front end which you just built. So you build the front end, and then you build the spreadsheet that connects to it, and now you have a application process and a quoting process that works. For underwriting, you could then create formulas which use things like Excel formula syntax, but allows you to easily create formulas for underwriting. And then for documents, Here's an example of our Japanese version of our system. I could go in here and I could create fully editable, high quality Japanese documents. And then as I'm creating the documents, I could look through all the different variables in the system to create something unique and new. Then after you build that, you could create all the different design elements by adding CSS. And when I want to then distribute it, I click on this and I could then distribute it to a third party. Just take this little snippet of code, embed it on a third party website, and now you can be selling anywhere you'd like to sell that insurance policy. In addition, not only are you building an insurance product, but you're also able to connect it to all the different backends that are important to you. All the different no-code aspects of the system have corresponding APIs that you could easily use, so that you're not constrained to just use our system and then it becomes something that you can't connect to. Now you have a system that all the different features have APIs that you're able to manipulate and create new and unique connections and updates, no matter how you want to use it. This also allows the engineering staff to be more involved with the no-code platform. Just because it's a no-code platform doesn't mean that IT doesn't pay attention to it. Now IT could build upon what the no-coders do, create scripts or create integrations that they need. That should explain a little bit about what we do. There's obviously many more features, and we have full Japanese compatibility, which we're very proud of, as we've localized it for the Japanese market. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this demo.